Hi guys, today is the day 16 building in Notion. So yesterday I had a problem with tasks, how to connect them to monthly overview, and also how to manually input results on day-to-day basis. So today I just came up with two simple solutions. First, I created a calendar view database that allowed me to input any unrepetitive tasks and tasks that are not really connected to any of my goals. It's just things that come up from time to time and you have to do it. And it will look like a little reminders of those tasks, and then you can just check them and forget about them. And the second thing is in monthly overview, I just created a target and current property. So let's say I want to have 10 gym sessions this month. And in current value, it's the amount of gym sessions I already had. So I input 10 as a goal, and let's say 5 as sessions I already did. And the progress bar will show me 50%. And I can input everything manually, which is really nice. So in the beginning of the month, I set up a goal, and during the month, I update my current value, and then progress bar automatically updates. It's really handy, really nice, and really easy to use, and this is exactly what I wanted. So now with tasks and their relation to databases and just manually inputting, I'm done and I'm happy about it. Next is overall monthly views on each particular goal, because my goals are connected with different tasks. So I want each particular task to be connected like in one big percent, so I can see like overall progress on each particular goal. But more on that tomorrow. See you soon.